Get better at your money management with just few minutes every week. If you're not subscribed yet, you might be missing something important.
Hey folks, this is your Chaandan Savant. Once again, today I've come to you with 5 golden rules on organizing your money much better. Pay attention to this. So let's get started. First of all, have a budget plan in place. Understand where your incomes are coming in from and where it is getting spent across. This is much easier to be done, but people find it very tedious. If you're finding it difficult to do it, go and sit with your financial advisor. He or she will make it easier for you. Point number 2, have an expense tracker in place. There are many tools available online for you, or you can create your own tool. More about this in the super clarity zone. Point number 3, automate your savings. As much as possible, have an auto debit on your SIPs, FDs or RDs and all other investments. Try and possible to make it to the beginning of the month so that you don't spend in the end of the month and have a shortfall to the same. Number 4, have a bill tracker in place. Understand your bill cycles, the payment due dates, and ensure that you make the payments well within the payment due date, especially your credit card dues, which the fines are very huge, and those fines don't come up to anything. Number 5, consolidate your debt. If you have your debt which is spread across too many places, try and see if you can bring it down to 2 or 3. This way, it's going to make it much more simpler for you to track things. These are the best times to reduce your EMI burdens with lower interest rates. So make best use of it. I hope you've understood these 5 simple rules. Trust me friends, if you apply these 5 simple rules, your life would become much simpler and easier. Now, time for the super clarity zone. Today I'm going to show you my own expense tracker. Obviously, for personal security reasons, I'm not going to show you my recent one, but I'll show you something which of the past so that you will be able to have a much better idea of how I have been organizing my money. So here it goes.
It opens up. This is my bank account. As I told you, it's old data. This particular sheet tells me where my money is getting and coming out of. Like a bank statement, I also maintain my own record, and these are my categories from my expense tracker, which I have to check for. And every month this is expense. Let me also see if I can show you something from here. I'm not sure. Yes, it is here. If you look at this, these are undated transactions. Some of them it's ending odd, but yeah, I would know that these are my future SIPs and expenses which are going to come up, and these are the payments. So in case I have to issue some check or make some expenses, I don't overshoot and this doesn't get bounced up. So that is the reason this sheet helps me in my own order. I also have a check on my credit cards, and for all the bank accounts which I maintain, this sheet tells me where my money is coming in from and where it is getting spent across to. I can split this on a monthly basis, annual basis, and keep a check. It will come to the main sheet. This one is a tracker for my life, which tells me where my money's expenses are. Of course, I've improvised on this a little later now. Let's ignore this. This is not, year is not completed. Yeah, here, if you look at it, 32% of my income is getting into savings, and about 29% is into for household expenses. This is for my mobile and petrol and other self expenses. 7%. This is for my philanthropic activities that I used to keep doing. Changes, it keeps increasing there, and my loans. Now I also keep a historical representation of that so that I know where my money is getting into and where my digressions are happening. In case something is going wrong, I come back and correct it quite often. So this is how I maintain my sheet. I hope this helps you. You can also maintain something like this, and which would make your investment life much better.
I sincerely do hope that you have understood these 5 simple rules and you will apply these simple rules on organizing your money much better. Till we meet next time, eat healthy, sleep well, meditate, stay relaxed and be successful.